Hello, welcome back to Glorious Ahobrasia Kitchen. Adishema, Mimobi Biara Akwaba. If today is your first time here, you are highly welcome. So today we're making palm nut soup. Yeri mekwang. Mekwang papabi. Diakonga. You unti aha me wame aponchi goat meat with my chopped onions and I added prekese. Me the prekese to so unti ye akekedru kakra ena jene ena ma blend it na me de aguso. This is my allspice and as a green marinade that my chef freezer, so I added 2 to it. Me de ma ponchi ye munia mata no and mrebo egum. Aha, nti ye ma hocho kakra bi. Nkwan yi be de. You nti abeno na sese ma hono na mehwie egu nam no hon ya wo ye ne se na ase wa ho black ni nyina ekọ nam no ho a ne reyedin you what we no egu sese me de me tomatoes and me peppers ebegun kwanim now ben kakra na mayi a blend nti sese ye ko blend ye tomatoes no eyi ye akekedru dry ginger. I like the scent I don't have the fresh one, that's why I'm using the dry, but I love the ginger aroma no ewo men abenkwan mu so nti no I blend ni na together with the fresh onion and I made abegum menkwan nim nkwan na bengawie hwese ne nkwan ni ayesoko abena me yusu ne ye abedro eno bi nti sese me de me mushrooms memre egum ena me de mrebo na me yi fi nkwan ni mun yeah I think e ho number but all the same me de ni na aka ho now hey, I've been quite so good. Please don't forget to subscribe, share, comment, and like the video. Thanks for supporting your sister. Now here I added some baby spinach. Yeah, made the baby spinach in contumely, and I made the account. Wow, me account in contumely the one and two boom say. Hey, shasa ni ankwa ya soko. Na mi se nkwa ne de. Wonka. Ye made ni bi so ho. Na ma bonetai se ni okodinan. Prekesa no so healthy nti ode to mekwan ni ma. Just say nkwan ami ye magi bi animo. No magi, but nkwan no boso ankasa. Sister. Thanks for watching.